Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of viewing members in a collection on Facebook using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and organize your collections. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Saved. This will take you to the Saved Items section. Step 3. Click on the desired collection that you want to view the members for. Step 4. Within the collection, click on the three dots located at the top right corner. Step 5. From the options that appear, click on View Members. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily view the members in a collection on Facebook using your PC. This feature allows you to keep track of who has access to your collections and manage them effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy a more organized and personalized Facebook experience using your PC.